Let's find out who we're having one more adventure with before bed. We look through our Cosmonoculars. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Ooh, look at the shapes and the colours, all spinning around and around. Lots of lovely patterns. Oh, can you see the picture? It's an alien! It's Bop the little alien. Well, what's Bop doing? He's doing yoga. He's doing a handstand. Wow, I bet having no gravity helps. Lowering our hands. Oh, this is very exciting. Now, Bop is a very cheeky little alien. So let's come up to stand and do our alien pose. Bringing our feet together, we turn our toes out wide. We bring our hands to the side and we waddle around saying, I am an alien, I am an alien. Now, Bop's mum and dad appear at his bedroom pod door. Holding our opposite elbows, we lift up our arms. 9 minutes to bed, Bop. Lowering our arms. 9 minutes to bed? But Bop feels wide awake. Surely that's plenty of time to have one last mission. Bop wiggles into his spacesuit. Bringing our feet together, arms by our side, we wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. He puts on his moon boots, lifting up one foot, trying not to wobble, stretching it forwards and pop. And putting it down. And the other side, lifting up the other one, trying not to wobble, stretching it forwards and pop, putting it down. What a fun adventure. And what a wonderful day. We've made the most of every second. And even though when our mummies and daddies tell us it's time for bed, we might still feel wide awake, we know that by having a good sleep, by resting and relaxing, we will have even more fun the next day, because we will feel so much better for having slept, for having rested our bodies. Let's enjoy this feeling of rest. Let's be happy when it's bedtime, and let's make the most of every sleep.